Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use Tinder on iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you are a beginner for Tinder and you'd like to know how to use it on your iPhone, then you've landed in the right place. First of all, go and tap open your app store. Bring up the search box and type in Tinder. Perform your search and download the application that says Tinder Dating and Meet People. To download the app, tap on this cloud icon with the arrow pointed towards the downward side and wait for your application to be downloaded. Soon after the application gets downloaded, tap the open button to launch the app open. This will be the first interface of Tinder as soon as you open up the app. In order to create a new profile for Tinder, tap on Create Account button. Now, provide your mobile number in the text box. Make sure to select your country from the country code drop-down and type in your mobile number. Soon after you do that, tap on the Continue button. Now, you need to verify your mobile number with an SMS code. Simply type in the SMS code that you received in the text box. You must also register your email address in order to start off with Tinder. Type in a valid email address in the email address text box and tap the Continue button. You can also connect your Apple ID. If you want to link your Apple ID to Tinder, to do so tap Continue with Apple, or if you want to skip the step, tap Skip at the top right. Now, you'll see this welcome page. Tap on I agree. Enter your first name that you'd like to be called on Tinder and tap on the Continue button. Type in your date of birth in the text boxes and tap Continue. Select your gender and tap Continue at the bottom. Select your sexual orientation from the options and tap Continue or skip this step by tapping Skip at the top right. Go ahead and select the gender you'd like to be shown on Tinder and tap on the Continue button. Enter the name of your educational institution in the text box on the next page, but if you want to skip this step, you can tap on the Skip button at the bottom. Pick some of the topics that you are interested in from the text boxes and tap Continue. And tap Continue at the bottom or skip this step by tapping Skip at the top right. Now you'll need to add at least 2 photos to continue building up your profile. Tap on the plus icon in one of the squares and allow access to your photos to Tinder by tapping on Allow Access to All Photos. Now you can simply take a picture from your camera by selecting the camera option, or you can upload an existing picture from your gallery by tapping Gallery. Select the picture you'd like to add as your Tinder profile picture. Adjust your image in the correct frame and tap Done at the top right. Repeat this step again and upload one more photo for now and tap Done at the top right. Once you are done uploading at least 2 photos, you can tap Continue at the bottom, or if you want to add more photos, repeat the step and upload it right away. After tapping on Continue, you'll be taken to a next page and you'll be able to see this Enable Location option. You need to enable your location in order to use Tinder so that Tinder will recommend you some people that are located nearby you. Simply tap on Allow Location and tap on Allow while using the app. If you want to enable notification from Tinder as soon as you get a match or a message, tap on I want to be notified. If you don't want to be notified, tap on Not Now. Soon after you do that, you have successfully built up your Tinder profile. Now, as you can see that the app itself has 4 tabs at the bottom. The fire icon is where you'll see profiles to swipe through left and right. If you like a profile of a person, you can swipe towards the right hand side of the screen, which will indicate as a liked profile. If you want to dislike the profile, simply swipe it towards the left hand side. If you go to the Star tab at the bottom, then premium users can see who have liked their profile from this page. Similarly, you'll be able to see this Explore button at the bottom of the page where you can explore your Tinder account. The third button is known for exploring Tinder. Similarly, the chat icon is where your matches and conversations will be stored. Once you find a profile of a person you are interested in, simply swipe the profile towards the right hand side, and if they like your profile as well, you'll be considered as a match on Tinder. That is how you'll be able to use Tinder on your iPhone as a beginner. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.